Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will cover one more scenario for OVRDBF command where we will utilize star key BE. Okay, so let's see the program, and before program I will show you the actual data in the file and then we'll walk through the code. So let me show you the data. So we are going to utilize this PF, which is test PF1. Now right, I'm doing run query over it, RQ, hitting enter. So you can see as of now we have only 6 record in this file with different user ID and username. Okay, now suppose if the requirement is like that, if we want to retrieve the data from this PF and we want to pass a key field. So if key field is present in that file, then in that case it should return that value. But if it is not present, then it should return the previous value to it. Okay, so let's say if I'm searching for 40. So if 40 is present, then it will return this data. But if 40 is not present, then it should return this data 30, because this is the before value, you can say, right? The previous value. So that's how we can in this scenario we will utilize this key before equal. So let's see the program now. So I'm taking the program in edit mode. As usual, firstly we are declaring the file, so just write DCLF, press F4. Here you can pass your file name and library name, then hit enter. Then we are using OVRDBF command, so for that we need to pass the file name, to file name and library. Now do the page down. Now here you can see in retrieve order we are passing star key BE, which means before equal. Number of key is 1, record format is test PF1, and value we are passing here is let's say we are passing 25. Okay, so as I previously told you that every time we are supposed to pass the value inside the quote, whether it is your numeric value or character value, doesn't matter, you have to pass in the same way. And the digit we are using here is 4 of, means the field digit is of 4, so we are passing 2 blank spaces at the initials. Okay, now doing page down, if you want to specify any particular scope here, you can pass it as it is. Here you can mention your scope. Now hit enter. So once this file is overridden, then we are doing the RCVF command for reading the data from it, and we are using send program message command to print the values that we have retrieved from the file. So for that you need to write sndpgmsg, press F4. Here you can pass the variable. If your variable is of type decimal, then you need to convert it to character using %char built-in function. Okay, and if your variable is already of type character, then you can pass it directly. So here second value is of character type, so I am passing it directly. So these two lines will print the value or print the output that we have retrieved after after overriding the file. And in the end we are deleting the override. So for that you need to write DLTOVR, press F4. Here you can pass your file name, and if you have specified any scope at the time of overriding, then you need to pass here also, otherwise you can go with default option. Now it's time to compile this, so let's compile and call this. So it is returning 20, although we are passing 25, but it is returning 20. Why? Because if we check the file, then 25 is not present. So it looks for 25. If it is not there, then it returns the previous value, which is 20, previous nearby value. Okay, now let's try for another value. Let me go to the program again. Now this time we are passing here as 30, let's say. Okay, so this time if 30 is present, then it should return 30, otherwise it should return previous value. So 30 is returning, it means this file contains 30. So if I check it again, so yes, 30 is there. Okay, so this is how we can utilize star key BE, which is before equal, to find the either the actual match or exact match or the previous value. So I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Sharmit.